Hi friends, so I'm back. I got to my 13 rows and I'm going to label this video as our intro video, our intro to crochet. So, and the reason why is because I watched the first video back and I noticed some mistakes that I made. So I want this to be the intro video that you watch first so you will know the mistakes that I made. In some of the rounds, I said do single crochets, 1, 2, or whatever, single crochets. This whole entire hat, there are no single crochets to this point. From the beginning row all the way to row 13, every single stitch is a double crochet. So when you hear me say single crochet in the other video, ignore that and know that I mean double crochet. The whole hat is double crochet. So we went from round 1 all the way down to row 13, and it is with double crochet. The hook that I'm using is a a number 9 or a 5.5 millimeter. That is the hook size. The yarn is Big Twist, and it is the color, it's burnt orange. There are 380 yards in this ball of yarn, and we started this ball of yarn fresh. It's 380 yards, 6 ounces, 347 milligrams, I guess, and 170 grams. I'm not sure what the other ones are, but for other people who may be watching this, we started this yarn ball fresh, brand new. I got it from Joann's on the clearance for $247, and I think it was off 25% off of that when I bought it as well. But yeah, but I just wanted to make that one correction, that main correction, that the entire hat is double crochet. So you need to watch the intro video first and then go and crochet the hat. And so it's all done. So now we're going to start on the next part. And this hat, we are going to make it a ruffled hat with all the mini ruffles around. So stay tuned for that part. When I come back, I probably won't do that part in the car. I'll probably do that part at home, and we'll start doing our ruffles. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. God bless. You have an awesome and an amazing day. Be blessed, my friends, and stay tuned. Bye-bye. Bye.